Hi guys, my name's Phil Morgan. I want to talk to you today about a brand new product out, brilliant product called Rhino Results. As normal with the reviews I do, it's not a push button thing. I've still yet to come across one of these push button products that you see launched saying 10k in a month. I've still failed to ever see one work. There's the odd one that I like and I do promote it when I think they're going to do something. So this is more down the street of being honest. This guy will teach you how to make some money. He's teaching you and giving you the stuff to make you doing it, make you succeed with it. It's about giving stuff away to people for nothing. Now, people will love getting stuff for nothing. This is a way of giving away some products. He's going to give you the products to give away. But as you give them away, there'll be what we call a funnel at the end of it where you can make money on it as well. But as people will be buying from you and looking at the products, you're also building an email list. It's a brilliant simple system to use. So you're going to be giving stuff away, you're going to be collecting their email address to build your list for the future, and as the products that you give away will have back end products that we call it, where you can say, okay, you've got this, do you want this? And that's where you can make some money with it as well. Simple system. It's copying and going through the process. I'm going to go through some brilliant bonuses that I'm going to give away with this as well that are relative to what you're doing, and we're also going to go through the extra bits that you can get with Rhino Results that a lot of people won't tell you about. So let's just have a scoot down this page for a minute. This is the page where you will find out what he's doing. This is Darward's sales page, we call it, because this is the one that links to the payment side. This is where he explains you can give away 3 high quality products for free. Squeeze pages are the pages where people put their email address. You've seen them before. They're called squeeze pages, landing pages, lots of things. Easily build a huge list, over the shoulder training. I'm going to show you that in a minute. No tech skills required. Perfect for newbies or people who just want extra income. Free traffic included. Grab your links and promote it. So let's go down and have a look. This is Doward. Guy's a top vendor and sells huge amounts. So let's have a quick look at the results we're going to get. There we go. Change page. Right. These are the bits you're not going to find on everyone's system. So let's go through the system again with you. You're going to be giving things away. He's going to show you how to do this, how to promote it, by the way, because there's no point in having the best product if you don't know how to use it. So he's going to teach you how to promote it. You're going to be giving things away, which people will love. You're going to be then making money off the back end of that. But those that don't buy, you'll still be collecting email addresses to build up your list with it as well. All you do is just follow what he does, and I've got the program, so I'm going to show you my working system of the program. So giving away is fun, especially when it makes you money. So that's the bit I've just read to you about over the training, and he's giving you the products to give away free. This is actually one of them. You're going to buy it, but it enables you to give it away. Price, by the way, I don't usually start now. Price is $13, which is slightly less than $13. So really not expensive. And there's some extra bits you can get with it as well. So this is where he explains it all for you. Easy stuff to give away. This guy makes money. He wouldn't be doing this if it didn't make him money. And this is one of the methods he uses to make his money. So this is the proof. This is from a place called Warrior Plus, which is the platform that hosts the product, and it shows that in 30 days he's made $25,000. Now, I think that's pretty good going, to be perfectly honest. So available options: front end, which is the basic product. You get a free version of this, and you can give it away. Build your list, earning commissions on the rest of the funnel. So this is the funnel down below. Not only that, you get the same 3 versions to give away of his last 2 products as well. Brilliant products. I love this guy's products. And he's giving you them away to give away as well, and you make the money off the back pages of those, or the back end of those. So OTO 1 that you can get is a pro version. Now there's 2 prices here. Not everybody will tell you this. It will come up on your screens as, do you want this? It's $37. If you say no, he will come up with well, do you want it now at $17? Now, I put this in because I'm honest, and I think you should know that you can downsell as well. If you choose not to take the offer, but you do buy the front end product, you also have a chance to buy these afterwards, but not at the downsell price. This is a launch price, okay? So if you buy the product, you've got Rhino Results, and on the page, it will say, do you want the upgrades now? you won't get the reduction. I've just tried it out, to be honest, to see if that happened, and that's what happened. It came up with one price only. So the first upgrade you can get is a collection of all of his previous pro versions. That's not the basic version, that's the upgraded version, worth well over 500. I think the value's more than that personally. Plus 6 solo ads to send to 16,000 members across his 25 niche sites. Solo ads, if I send a solo ad out, it costs me between $40 to $60 for 100 clicks. He's sending out 6 solo ads, so even at $40, that's $240 worth to 16 members, and I'm looking at just clicking on 100. So this is a really, really good value. These are all optional. You don't have to have these. I'm just letting you know they're there. The second OTO, one-time offer. So that's that one there that gives you the solo ads plus all of his last products. This one is weekly done for you campaigns. This is a campaign. So what you are watching is a video that I've created, the paperwork that I've created. He makes his money doing this by selling his products, doing that. He's going to do 3 of these per week for you for, I think it's a year. I don't think it says it down there, but last time he did it was a year. These take quite a long time to do, and he's going to do them and just give you the link to produce them. So you just copy a number and you get the whole promotion for you. You've got to change an affiliate link in it so you get paid. It's a brilliant offer. $47, you're going to get 3 a week. That's give or take 150 of these videos for you to promote and make money off. You do need, it says down here, requires Commission Gorilla. I'll tell you this now because I use Commission Gorilla. It's a $97 product per year. But if you're going to get 150 of these campaigns done for you, we're doing no work, no research, no nothing. I also do research, by the way. I look at this product before I promote it, so nothing goes unresearched. He's going to do all that for you. It is a bargain, provided you're prepared to buy Commission, if I look at my words right, Commission Gorilla as well, $97 outlay. Okay. Reseller rights OTO 3. So it's 3 by 37 or $17. Get reseller rights to this, so you can sell it and make all the money. Halloween rights method and Ducky dollars. He uses animals usually. I don't know why I changed it to Halloween. This is his way of naming them. Sell them as your own products and keep 100% commission across the funnel. It's 100%. The other way, you can still sell them, but you get a lower percentage. So this is a way of upping your percentage if you wish to do it. It's on that one, I apologise. Steal our traffic, number 4. $97, he will drop it to $47. These will all make you money. It's not my cash, so I haven't got to buy them because I have them. But you must think about it when they come up, because if you're umming and ahhing, you're going to get a guarantee with them anyway, but you're not going to get this price again from him. So put your pixel, for those who know what pixel is, it's fine. For those who don't, it's a small piece of code that you can get. He shows you how to do it and where to put it, and he puts that on previous pages, and it takes advantage of it's marketing to people again with a piece of hidden code that is rotated round, so people will see an offer. Some of those will be related to you, some will be related to somebody else that buys them. It's a brilliant way of making money. It's quite a hidden system, so you won't see that it's happening, but you will see the results from it. $47 if you wanted it. And the last one, OTO 5, again comes up at 37, drops to 17. Free VIP upgrades on all of his sites. So you go into his sites and they have an upgrade to them, which people will pay for. For $17, he's giving you access to the sites and the upgraded version of them. Absolute bargain if it's worth it to you. So if you bought something, you're looking at $13 there, 17 there, that's 30. 70, 77, 94, 104, 94, I think, I lost track. 100, say 100, 150, $160. If you bought everything, money back guarantees go with it. I put it down here. You'll see the buy without risk down here. Don't like it, no worries. So you can get your money back. These buttons here take you across the Darwood's page where you can see a little bit more information, not much because it keeps the page quite short, but this is where you would go to pay. You'd click on this, you go onto Darwood's page, and it's got a button that says access now, and that's where you'd pay your money. You'd pay the initial amount, and then once you pay that, that's when you get offered the upgrades. So there's a few of them in there. The bonuses that I'm giving away to go with it: bonus page builder. This is a brilliant thing. It's giving you what we call squeeze pages. This is a way of building a page such as this, because to put all these on a scoot through it, these are all in separate boxes. They're all lined up. They'll put some colors in them. This takes time. He's going to give you a program like this that will build this sort of thing for you to do your own work as well. It's great relying on Doward's 150. I think that's a bargain he's offering you there, by the way. But you need to be able to do it yourself, because after a year that's going to stop. And so you'll have taken the money, but you must learn the process, and then you can continue it, because you will have built lists by then, and you will have money in, and you must take the time to learn how to do this, because you'll need to do it yourself afterwards. I'm doing it on a camera. It's just as easy to do these without a camera. I can probably take that off. Wrong button. You can take the camera off. You haven't got to use the camera. I use it, and most people do, because it puts a personality. You can see someone who's talking. And we all make judgments on it. Some of you will be going, okay, he's okay. Somebody else will be going, oh, he's a bit old to be doing this. You've all got your own views on it. But it does put a person behind things. So if you are going to do these, I would suggest using the camera. So let's go down. That's your guarantee to go with it. These are the bonuses we're going to put. Your bonus builder, your secret weapon here, which is some super training from a guy called Eric. And this will help you whatever you're doing, because never have all your eggs in one basket. Always look to do other things. Make 100 a day on ClickBank. ClickBank is another platform that holds lots of things for sale that you can resell. You can find out. You can type in ClickBank and you get more information on it that way. But how to 100 a day on ClickBank. Commission Blueprint, been around for about 6 months. Brilliant program, paid for course. I bought this once. You're getting it for nothing. And to get something like this for nothing is brilliant. Strategy. It's little tips and hacks to make everything better. And this is a brilliant, again, product that I think is worthwhile. These we're giving you for nothing. You're not paying for any of these products. They're bonuses that we're going to give you as an ethical bribe, should we say, to buy Rhino Results. Without them, Rhino Results is worth, without question, the $13. And that's the buttons that take you through. So basically, that's it. Let's just show you the members page. This is what you'll get when you join. So this is the page that comes in. It says, and it's all broken down on the left-hand side. You get your welcome video, you'll get an overview video, you get an induction into the training. This is the first giveaway product that it'll describe to you. This is the second giveaway product, then the third. Using the resources, the stuff that he gives you to show you how to do the marketing. So I don't know if that's background in or not. Take it down there a bit. The third, how to use the resources and how to promote. The way you promote is by sections in Animal Kingdom Anarchy that he's got here. He'll show you how to do this. And this teaches you all of the promotion methods that he uses. And he uses so many free promotion methods. Most people pay for their traffic. It's expensive. It works. It's quicker, admittedly. And you can use paid traffic. But to use free traffic, particularly when you're starting out, is an absolute bargain. So this is the page he's doing. These are Kingdom Anarchy that's got loads of other products that you can use in it as well, but he teaches you within there how to do your marketing. Squeeze page builder. Squeeze pages builders cost money. You're getting one free here. Rhino is actual free pages. These are ones that he's already set up for you. So this is when you can design squeeze pages, which you must learn to carry on in a year's time. Rhino Results Special, this is the ones he's created for these products. And add in your links. He shows you how to add your affiliate link. So when someone buys something off the computer, it makes sure you get paid, not him or me, in fact. So he'll show you to do that. Then he's doing your conclusion on there. He winds it all up for you. This is where you're going to get the bonuses that I promised you. They all come in down here for you. You just click on those and it'll get your bonuses. This is where you get your upgrades. So you can choose your upgrades, but I've just tried this a few seconds ago, and with it does not come up at the reduced amounts. So, and then there's an unadvertised bonus down here is putting in some extra little bits for you. I don't know what these are, because I'll be honest, I haven't even looked at these yet. So, but these are extra bonuses that are going to go in for you. I don't know how quickly this comes up. It's quite slow sometimes. When I'm on the camera, it slows the whole system down. But these are extra bonuses you're going to get. He only will put in bonuses that he thinks are worth giving away for you. So that's the review. That's all there is to it. It is a simple system. Oh, there we are. Another great course from some. They're well known. James Kennedy is very well known. So if he's got that for nothing, simple affiliate machines, that's really good value. He's giving you this for nothing. I won't look at the other two yet. You can do that when you get the system. So for $13, let's just go across this page again where I can have a quick peek at it so you can see it. This bit is, by the way, just quick, is about himself, and he's a top 5% affiliate. What this means is with a company called Warrior Plus, who host most of these types of products and sort out the payments to and from everybody. To be in the top 5% means he's making his 20 grand a month on average. The figures I showed you a minute ago were 25. Top 10% vendor is of all his products that he sells. This is when he's selling other people's products, as you will be doing. And the top 10% is of the people who are selling products themselves on Warrior Plus. He's in the top 10% on that as well. So this is where you're going to go. So let's go. That's his proof of earnings that I showed you for a couple of months. And I think I got onto the wrong page. I apologise. I wanted to show you what you're going to get again. So that was the wrong page for that. There we go. So free version of Rhino results. And other products. You're going to be giving them away to people. And then the funnel will operate and you'll get commission on what we call the funnel. So if you're selling this and you give this away, you're going to get someone who will buy this off you and you're going to get probably about 50% commission on it. If you go for the extra upgrade that we spoke about, you would get 100% commission on it. That's why I think the upgrade is worth it. It's up to you whether you decide to do it or not. If you don't take any of the upgrades, this is still a brilliant product to use. So I'll leave you with that thought. It is a way to make money. It's a way to make money properly by learning a process. So he's going to teach you how to do it. You're going to follow it through. You can then sell the products. He's taught you everything. If you can afford it, take out the 150 pages like this that's on there, because these will make you money, and he shows you how to do it. Yes, you have got to buy a commission griller, and yes, it is $99 per year. It was last time I looked, maybe 100 and a bit, it may be 87. The price alters a little bit. I don't know if they give a 30-day warranty or not with it, so you can check it out when you look. But the product itself, this guy is so straightforward, so honest. It's worth your money to get the product. So I hope this has given you an explanation of what Rhino Results is about. I hope that I've explained how you can make money, because people love getting stuff for nothing. And once someone's got something, they're tempted then to buy something else. Okay, so that's where you're going to make your money. Your upgrades will make you more money on it. You can go through these because you'll see this page. You can read them again yourself. And the link to this page is just down below this video. And it will say something like bonus crate 45. No, it won't. It'll say Phil's marketing site / Rhino. Losing my words dreadfully today. Rhino Results. So have a look at it, check it out. Click the black buttons down here. They'll take you across the downwards page where you'd have to click on the please get me this now and take your payment for your $13. Well worth it. I hope this has been okay. It's a great way of making cash. You can make it very quickly, and if you're still working, this is a part-time thing, by the way. This isn't necessarily a full-time job. It's not going to take you hours per day to do this. You can do it piecemeal. You can do an hour a day. You can do an hour every 3 days. The more you spend, the quicker it will come, obviously, but this isn't a full-time job doing this. It's very simple process. Just be methodical how you do it. Write down what you're doing and make sure that when you've done it, you repeat it. And if you find something's worked better the second time, do that next time you do a promotion. Just learn from what you do. So thanks for listening. I hope you will, and take care of yourselves and enjoy the product. My email is on there a couple of times somewhere down here. If you've got any questions, send me an email, be it on this or something else, and I will get back to you. So take care. Thanks very much for listening.